So now we want to set up our business profile. So in order to do that and how to navigate to it, you'll want to go to settings at the bottom left-hand screen, click on that, and then it'll open up your business profile setting. All right, so we'll want to start with our business name here. This is labeled friendly business name because it does not have the legalities at the end of the business name. So for example, my business name is Digital Transaction Solutions LLC. Um, so when I type it in though, in the friendly business section, I'll just want to type in Digital Transaction Solutions without the LLC. If yours has an INC on the end, if it's a corp, we don't want to add that at the end. For a legal business name, now we will want to add in the legal portion that goes at the end of our business. So if mine is Digital Transaction Solutions LLC, then I will want to add the LLC at the end of this section. Business email will be your your professional email with your domain at the end. So mine would be contact at digital transaction solutions.com. It should not be gmail.com. It shouldn't be AOL.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com, any of those things. Next, we'll be adding your business phone number. So it would be the phone number that is attached to your business itself. So mine would be 90. All right. Branded domain, we won't worry about that at this moment. Business website, this would just be your business URL or domain name. So you will enter that in here. And then for your business niche, I was having some trouble finding my particular one. So in that case, I would just put down consultant if you can't find your specific business niche in this list. And it won't let you type in your own. This area right here is just to search for one that may be similar to or more relatable to your specific business. And it has to be on this list. So like I said before, if you can't find it, you can always just use consultant. That's the most generic one I could find. Right? You want to make sure you save this section in particular by hitting update information. Next, we have our business information. You will want to put in for your business type, your legal business that will be representative for your specific business. Mine is an LLC, so that stands for limited liability company. If you have a sole proprietorship, you can put that here as well too. That's for the same line. Make sure you click on it and it will select it up here in the business type section. The next section will be business industry. Again, you will need to click on the one that's most associated with your specific business. Mine is related to real estate, so then I will click on real estate. For your business registration ID type, you will want to make sure you click on the one that's associated with your country. I'm in the USA, so we have an employer identification number, which is the EIN, so I will click on that. For your business registration number, this would be your EIN number, specific number. If it's for the USA, if it's for any other country, it will be their related registration number here as well too. If your business is not registered, you can just click on this box here and it'll gray it out. So you won't need to enter in any information there. For your business regions of operations, you will need to click on the regions that your business operates in. So if it's multiple countries, you can click that here. If not, just click on the country that yours is that yours operates in. Mine is just the USA, so I will just click on the USA and Canada button since they are entangled together. Once you've completed this section, please make sure you click on Update Information for you to save it. Next, we'll go to back at the top. On the right-hand side, we'll enter in the business physical address. For if you have a PO box, it's okay to enter in your PO box. That's fine for this section, even though it is a physical address. So for my example, I would have a PO box. So I will enter that in here. I would enter in the city, the zip code, and the state. That will be a drop-down box as well too. Make sure you enter in the correct country, the correct time zone. I am Eastern, so then I will put in for New York. And then you will hit update at the bottom here to save it. The next section will be your authorized representative section. Typically, this would be your this would be your operations person that's over your operations department. If it's just you, that's totally fine. So let's say it's just me. I will enter in my first and my last name, my email address, my apologies, my position, and then the phone number that is associated with that particular person. Once you've entered that in, you click update information, and then this will complete filling out your business profile.